हाँ बेटी, please do.
Ma'am, it has started.
So, good morning, everyone. The syllabus that we will cover for English. Now, the English paper would be of 50 marks. Out of that, 30 marks. Sorry, I'm sorry. Out of that, there will be 3 sections. Section A, please write down. You will have comprehension passage, where an unseen passage would be given to you and you would be asked to solve the answers based on that. Okay? Section A. The section A is called reading skills. Okay? Reading skills. And in that, comprehension passage will be given to you. Clear? Now this passage would be of 10 marks. Did you get it? Then write section B. Number 1, notice writing. In section B, you will have notice writing. Number 2, message writing. Number 3, letter writing. Now, in letter writing, please in brackets write informal, INFORMAL, informal letter. Informal letter. बड़ी good भाई.
देखिए अगर यही प्रॉब्लम है वो तो आप लोग खुद भी निकाल सकते हो घर में जाली वाला उसमें तो सिर्फ जाली निकलती है मुझे भी पता है सिर्फ जाली निकलती है
कौन बोल रहा है भाई? I am doing the syllabus and somebody is jabbering their life out. That's so irritating. It's really irritating. Okay, so we were doing section B. Section B is known as, just as section A is known as reading skill, section B is known as writing skills. Writing skills. Okay, and in this, notice writing, message writing, letter writing. Number 4, paragraph writing. It is unseen, 150 words. Okay. Plus grammar. Okay. Writing skills has these 4 plus the grammar. Can you all see this? My screen, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, wait, I will write it out for you, everything, and it will be a nice systematic way in which I will give you. Will you just wait for a minute? Yes, just a second. Class. Is it visible? Hila to nahi hai?
No, ma'am.
We will be doing sentence. We will be doing kinds of sentences in this. Transformation. Of sentences. Then number 2, we will be doing nouns. In nouns, we are doing kinds. Then we are doing number. Then we are doing gender. Please do not write case. Case we will not.
Ma'am, it's excluded.
Then we come on to the next heading, pronouns. Is my writing visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it neat enough for you to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in pronouns, you do kinds. Then number 4 is verb, in which we will do principal and auxiliary verbs. Okay. Then we will do transitive and intransitive. Then we will do finite and non-finite. Okay. Then next heading is
Ma'am, participles and gerund.
that is non-finite verbs में ही तो आ रहे हैं वो.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
तो बच्चे मेरे मुझे और कंफ्यूज कर दो तुम लोग. Adverbs. Okay. In this we will do kinds. Okay. And comparisons. Is my screen visible completely? पूरा
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तब ठीक है. Comparisons of adverbs and position of adverbs. Clear? Then number 6, the simple tense. All the exercises of this heading. Okay, the simple tense which has simple present, simple past, simple future. Okay. Then
Okay, ma'am.
next heading, the continuous tense. In that again, you have present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Is this much clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. Though I have sent you the other part also, like I have sent you the past perfect, present perfect, future perfect. I have also sent you present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Now, why have I sent you? Though we are not covering this in the exam, because मेरा मन आवाज दे रहा था कि आप लोगों को समझाना जरूरी है. और टेंसेस अच्छे से तभी समझ आते हैं जब आपको ये पूरा चार्ट समझ आ जाए. Clear? So though I have taught you 3 and 4 heading of all these, but they are not coming in the exam. Is this much clear?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी
Yes,
चीज
ma'am.
का ज्ञान देना समझ नहीं आ रहा था, मुझे मन नहीं कर रहा था कि मैं आपको आधा ज्ञान दूं. ठीक है कि 2 पार्ट समझाऊं हर एक के और 2 पार्ट छोड़ दूं. इसलिए मैंने इनको शॉर्ट में एक वीडियो 4 मिनट्स का बना के आपको समझा दिया. You all must have seen that.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
don't you now listen very carefully. Don't get confused in the exam. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. They will not come. Okay. But then पढ़ाया है, आपको आना चाहिए. ठीक है? ठीक है? Now coming to the syllabus again. Now this section B is of 20 marks. Okay. All these headings covered here.
Can you send picture in group?
I will. Now coming to section C, which is called literature section. और लिटरेचर की स्पेलिंग जरा तुम लोग देख लो, इतना मार खाओगे कुछ कहने को नहीं. इतनी अजीब स्पेलिंग लिखते हो तुम लोग, कुछ कहने को नहीं. लिटिलेचर भी किसी ने लिखा था, लिटिलेचर. इज दिस द मुझे हंसी आ रही है बट मुझे उस समय गुस्सा आ रही थी. ओके, so don't do that again. Now in this, the chapters which we are covering, the stars, number 2, Uncle Podger, Number 3, selfless service. मेरी writing गंदी आ रही है, I'm sorry.
No, ma'am, it's clear. Ma'am,
Oh.
it's way more better than my writing.
No, bache, you all are writing good. Indian weavers, most of you have good handwriting. I love that.
Ma'am, if you will open my homework copy, you'll see how black is my writing.
Okay. Jenny's amber beads. Quest for natural living. Now here with all these, this is a poem and this is a poem. Okay. Now from all the chapters, you will get the word meaning, which are given at the book, in the book only, in the chapter only, nothing extra. Then you will get question answers, long, short, as given in the chapters, those only which we have done. Okay. Third, reference to context. Okay. Reference to context. This is also from the chapter which is given at the back of the reference to context that we have covered. Now for poems, summary will not come. In this chapter, selfless service, there was fill in the blanks in the form of summary. Go through that summary, okay? But only in the form of fill in the blanks. Am I clear? For Indian viewers, I had sent you some reading notes. Now those are only to be read. Don't worry, you don't have to learn them. Only if you read it 2-3 times, it will help you to write in your own words some nice language, if a particular question if you want to deal with. Okay. That's
English
it.
and English papers are in same day.
Yes, now, this is what I was going to tell you now, that children know it. Now you will not have a separate literature or a language paper. You will have one English paper of 50 marks in which you will be asked to do both the literature, language, and grammar section. And I've told you there are 3 sections. Okay. Maybe 2.5 hours will be given to you. That will be decided. See, I'm not very sure of it. Okay. So once you get those papers, once you get the paper, it will be a printed paper which will be sent through you through the WhatsApp group. And in that, you'll be given whatever time is given on the paper, you will start doing it. It will be of 50 marks, 10 marks for section A, 20 marks for section B, and 20 marks for literature section. 50 marks paper. Anything else that you need to ask?
Ma'am, most important
Ma'am.
question, ma'am, exams will held online or offline?
Ma'am, same question I was only asking.
Father is also very confused because right now and he is confused because of the government policies. It is not in our hands to begin the classes. Like from Monday, father is thinking of calling 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. Okay. So he has asked us to prepare the paper, keep it ready. Okay. Now, if the chances are, because the exams are in September, which is quite a month away now, right? So he was thinking that if they will call, if the government people will allow, then you will be having in 2 shifts the exams. Half of you will come in the first half of you will come in the second half and sit here and do the paper. Now, it is just the same as you're doing at home. The paper is of 50 marks only. The time will be only of the time father decides. Okay, it will be 2.5 hours, I think, or 2 hours, maybe. I'm not sure. Okay? But the possibility depends on the government's working. Okay? From Monday onwards, 9, 10, 11, 12, they are coming. Okay? And from Monday onwards, even we will be available from morning till 12:30. So anytime, like I'll keep on messaging you the audio messages. If and whenever I check your copies, I end of the day will leave a message for you. Okay? And children, एक और छोटी सी request है, which I'm getting recorded only, no problem, listen to it. See, on Tuesday when class 6 is supposed to give the copies, मेरे संग पता है क्या होता है? I get literature copy 6C, language copy 6C, history copies 6B and 6D, civics copies 6B and 6D, geography copies 6B and 6D. ठीक है? So I get these many bundles. How many bundles? 8 bundles. एक ही दिन में मुझे 8 बंडल मिल जाते, ठीक है, जो कि फटाफट नहीं हो पाते क्योंकि सब में 3-3, 4-4 चैप्टर्स हैं, ठीक है। तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं अपनी ही क्लास को, क्योंकि मुझे तुम लोगों पे भरोसा है, मैं तुम ही लोग से कह सकती हूँ, तो व्हाट आई टेल यू इज आई डिले योर वर्क। और होता क्या है ना, तुम लोगों की कॉपीज मेरे पास है और मुझे लगता है कि तुम लोग पढ़ोगे कैसे, इसीलिए सपोजिंग बाय ट्यूसडे, दो आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट, मैं यहाँ पे बहुत देर देर तक रुक के चेकिंग कर भी रही हूँ, बट मेरी हेल्थ अभी इतनी स्ट्रांगली नहीं कर पा रही है, ठीक है। सो इफ सपोजिंग आई एम नॉट एबल टू चेक योर कॉपीज, प्लीज मेरी शिकायत ना कर देना, बी काइंड इनफ, ठीक है। एंड मुझे आई विल गिव यू अ डेट, उस दिन भेज देना कॉपी फिर से, जो कि शांति से मैं बोलूंगी, मे बी ट्यूसडे नहीं बुलाऊंगी, किसी और दिन बुला लूंगी, if it is okay with the parents. I know I don't want to bother the parents also. मुझे मन में बोझ लगता है क्योंकि किसी भी पेरेंट को पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ से आना पड़ता है, बट इट इज जस्ट अ रिक्वेस्ट। अभी ट्यूसडे दूर है, इसलिए हो सकता है मैं शायद कर लूं, ठीक है, बट अगर नहीं कर पाई तो वो तुम्हारी ही क्लास होगी जिससे मैं ये लिबर्टी ले सकती हूँ। मैं 6B और 6D की टीचर नहीं हूँ, तो मैं उनसे ये लिबर्टी नहीं ले सकती। मैं तुम ही लोग से भीख मांग सकती हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट कर सकती हूँ कि प्लीज कॉपीज चेक नहीं हुई है, करना, आई विल चेक इट, ठीक है। और अभी मैं ये रिकॉर्ड भी करवा दे रही हूँ बिकॉज यू नो आई हैव ओनली यू पीपल टू काउंट ऑन। बाकी सब अलग क्लास से वो क्या समझेंगे मेरे बारे में मुझे नहीं पता, बट यू ऑल नो मी, यू नो आई एम अ सिंसियर टीचर, so I will try my level best, ठीक है, ठीक है,
ओके मैम।
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
ओके मैम।
ठीक है। Now everything has been told to you in detail. If still you have any problem, I will be sending you the photographs. आप देख लेना syllabus को एक बार फिर से। We just have to finish one chapter in English, Quest for Natural Living. Rest everything we have touched upon. अब जो भी हमारे पास टाइम होगा उसमें हम रिविजन करेंगे, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। Is it okay with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am।
Okay. चलो फिर we end this class. In the next class, fresh, we will begin with the new chapter. Is it okay with everyone?
ओके मैम।
हाँ बोलो बच्चे।
Can I collect my English language copy today?
बेटी आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू चेक इट, मुझे आज का दिन दे दो, मैं भी ऑडियो मैसेज छोड़ दूंगी, तो मंडे को ले लेना।
Ma'am,
अगर
can we come on, ma'am, next Friday?
तो स्वीट ऑफ यू बेटा, तुम तो अच्छी बच्ची हो, लेकिन बहुत से बच्चों का पढ़ाई रुक जा रही होगी ना मेरे कारण।
Ma'am,
तो
actually, I'm having with the PDF.
ओके ओके,
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Ma'am,
So-
because ma'am, on Friday I will come for my sister. Ma'am, maybe on